Bullish Luna Classic price predictions range from $0 to $20.30. Market watchers think Lunc could reach $0.25. Land. The Classic market price forecast for 2023 is $0. Land Classic presentation. Customers and brokers find it hard to work with digital currencies because of their high prices and unstable values. The speed and number of changes in a short amount of time can be scary for new and short-term investors. The desire for a generally stable cryptographic money that mimics the price stability of the fiat monetary market while keeping the security, speed, and protection of digital currencies like Bitcoin led to the development of Land Classic. Land Classic was released in 2018, and its blockchain was sent in 2019. The stablecoin innovation platform combines the value security of real government-issued money with the security features of Bitcoin. It would also make quick and fair transactions possible with its unstable money. The Land chain made sure that the US dollar, the South Korean won, the Mongolian tugrik, and other currencies were always worth the same amount. Daniel Shin in Duchuan made the Land chain because he thought that value, security, and speed could calm people's fears of sudden bad luck and advance the use of digital forms of money and blockchain innovation. What is Land? Traditional Land Luna Classic is a public, decentralized blockchain convention. It powered the US Land's algorithmic stable coin, which was pegged and called dead because of unstable economic conditions caused by the crypto downturn of 2022. In May, the Luna Classic crashed, causing the Land Classic to split into two separate chains. Land chain prediction of how much Luna Classic will cost. Land is an open-source blockchain. In 2019, CertiK confirmed that the organizations showing mathematical thinking were correct. This was not long after the Land exemplaries were sent off. Since then, the Land Classic has gotten rid of the smell of death left by what seemed to be the sudden destruction of the US and put into high gear processes that will move the digital money toward its goal, even though it will not be able to do so without the US. The proof of being able to calculate stake agreements. Land. This calculation is based on the tendering technology, which lets holders put up their Lunc resources as insurance for a chance to accept trades on the Land organization and get payments that are roughly equal to the value of their marked resources. Land Classic is worth nothing right now. Lunc has moved 1.72% so far, with a trading value of $42,995,256. Land Classic is currently the 75th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $599,927,000 US and 27 cents. Using the above diagram's general strength record, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference, we can use cost designs for Land Classic to decide if it's going to be a bullish or a bad year. Our cost expectation gauges use continuous Land to figure out if it's going to be a bullish or a bad year. Classic market information, and all of it is updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving right now. Land Classic Value Estimate 2023. Land. From some points of view, Classic is one of the best digital forms of money to rise this year. The Lunc price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly all the way to $0. In the same way, the value of other digital forms of money will continue to rise, but there won't be any big drops. The price is high, but it could happen soon if everyone works together, and Headway Lunc is meant to have a base value of $0. Land. Every 2024 Land will have a Classic value by 2024. Classic Lunc cost forecast has a lot of room for growth because of the expected declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think that the cost of Lunc will soon go above $0. Still, we should wait to see if the Lunc's overall strength file comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any positive trades. Taking into account the instability of the market, bets on Lunc will be made with a starting exchange rate of $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Land Classic Value Forecast 2025, if the pattern stays the same until 2025, it could be worth nothing. Lunc might be better off if the market goes down, but the goal might not be reached. Lunc is meant to trade for a normal price of $0 and a low price of $0. 2025 Land Classic Value expected in 2026. If Land stays the same, Classic does a good job of making digital currency fans feel good about the market. The price of the Lunc coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. The Lunc is expected to reach and beat its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth $0, with a base price of $0 and an average price of $0. We think that a rising trend will keep pushing the average price to around $0. If Lunc manages to break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $0. If LUNC doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a low of $0. The positive trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange price has been set at $0, which is close to $0 a year. Land Classic Value Prediction for 2030. By 2030, Land Classic will finally do better than its previous ADH values and set new cost levels. The base price could be $0, and the highest price could also be $0. On average, the price would be $0. Land Classic Price Prediction for 2031. The digital currency market is known for being very unstable, which is one of the many reasons why figuring out prices is hard. Bitcoin Wisdom tries to predict future prices accurately, but you shouldn't take all of its predictions as gospel. For example, the highest price of Lunc in 2031 is expected to be $0 in the case of a bull run with an average price of $0, and the introduction of Land signals a continuation of the constant push. Land will continue to have a big effect on the decentralized application field as long as Land Luna keeps moving toward its goal of worldwide cryptographic money acceptance and use. Despite recent setbacks, the truth will come out at some point. What's next for Land Classic? How much does Land Classic cost now? As of today, Land Classic is trading at $0, with a total market capitalization of $599,927,000.27. Is Land Classic a good investment? Land Classic turned out to be one of the best investments of all time.